Hi everyone. Today we learn how to make journal entry for cash sale with sales tax. So please read our example together. We assume ABC company complete a sale in cash for 100,000 with an associated 20% sales tax. It means that the tax rate that we will pay to our government, but we charge tax from our customer, and then we will pay their tax to the government. And cost of our inventory or cost sold, yeah, 80,000. So how can we make journal entry for the transaction? David, yeah, David cash. How much cash? Yeah, how you need 100,000 multiplied by 1.2, because you will charge your customer with or plus sales tax 120,000 debit, and debit cost of goods sold. How much? Yeah, 80,000. And credit sales tax payable, there is liability that you will pay to the government. How much? Yeah, you can take 100,000 multiplied by 20% equal to 20,000. And credit, you get sale only your revenue. How much? 100,000. Yeah. And credit inventory decreased by 80,000. We know that cost sold with inventory and cost with sales tax payable and sale, you get only 100,000, and you will pay to our tax government, 200,000 to 20,000. Yeah, 20,000. So you get only 100,000. Thank you for your watching.